First, I'm going to go to Wix.com and sign in, but if you don't have an account, you can do so by clicking Start Now and then Sign Up. Once I log in, an option to create your website will come up and you can choose the type of website you want to create. I'm going to make a blog. There are two options here, and I'm going to choose the one that is designing a site myself. From here, I can choose a template that I want to start off with. You can view the templates and play around with them before deciding on a final template. I personally enjoy photography, so I'll pick the photography blog at the bottom of the first page by clicking Edit. The first thing I'm going to do is edit the name of my blog by double-clicking the text box with the title and editing it. I want this website to show off some photos I took while in China this summer, so I'll call my blog China Photography. I'll also put my name into the text beneath the title. You'll notice that when a window pops up when I edit the text with options to change the font, color, etc. I'm going to change my font to white and Museo. I'm going to keep my name the same font, but I'll also change that color to white as well. To change the color, you can click the A with the white background and dark gray teardrop shape. You can also change the spacing of the letters, but I'm going to keep those settings the same. To exit editing the text box, you can just click outside the window. When I click the photo at the top of the website, I'm going to click Change Strip Background, and a window will pop up. This window has options to choose from videos, images, and color. I'm going to choose the Images button at the top of the window. When this window pops up, you can choose a few options to upload pictures for your site. This is indicated by the tabs at the top of the window. There's a My Images tab that you can upload your own photos to, and you can see that I've uploaded some of my own. There's also an Upload Images button in the right corner. You can also use images free from Wix that you can use. So I'm going to choose the image that I want for the header of the blog and click Change Background in the bottom right corner. Once it changes, I can click Settings to change the positioning and animations of the header. If you want to see what your website will look like at any time, choose the preview option at the very top right. Now I don't want this white strip here, so I'm going to click it and then hit delete on my keyboard. I also want to change the white background here. So I'm going to click the white background and click the button that says change page background. This process is going to be very similar to the process of changing the header image, but this time I want to use one of the free backgrounds that Wix offers. I'm going to click free from Wix and then textures, and I'll choose cement grunge since I want something neutral. I also want to change the color of this background. So in the window, I'm going to click Settings again, and then click the color square next to Color Behind Image. I'll choose this nice dark gray color, and then I'll adjust the opacity of the background using the slider. Now I want to edit the posts on my blog, so I'm going to click the space that has the feed of posts, and I'll click Manage Posts. I don't want these template posts here, so I'm going to check the boxes on the left to select them, and then click Trash at the top. Now I'm going to click New Post in the top right corner, and I'll just add a quick title and post here. I also want to add a test photo and text, so I'll write a small post and then I'll click Image at the top. There are also other options. Because I already uploaded all the photos I want to post in my blog into My Images, I'm just going to choose one of the pictures I uploaded and then click Apply at the bottom right corner, and the photo will show up in my post. Then I'll click Publish Post on the right. I'm back on the main page of my blog now, and I want to move the section with my post down a little so that the page background is visible between my header photo and my post. The nice thing about Wix is that all the elements are movable just by clicking and dragging them. I now want to edit the pages at the top of my blog, so in the top left corner I'm going to click the drop-down menu that says Pages Home. Here you can see a list of all the pages on your blog. I only want an About page, so I'm going to click the buttons with 3 dots next to the pages I don't want and click Delete. Now I'm going to click the About page. You'll notice this page is a little bit different than the main post page. In order to edit the text on the page, you can just double click and edit like we did with the title of the blog. I'm also going to change the title to Museo and change the color to white. I'll change the color of the normal text to white as well. Now I'm going to edit the page background just like I did on the main post page. To change the image to a picture of myself, I'm going to click the image and then click the Change Image button and choose a picture of myself that I've already uploaded into my images. Now that I'm happy with my About page, I'm going to go back to my main menu page using the same drop-down menu on the left. I'm happy with how my website looks now, so I'm going to click the Save button in the top right corner. When I do this, it's going to bring up an option to change the URL, still using the Wix domain. I'm going to use China Photography, and then click the check, and then Done. Now I'm going to click Publish in the top right corner to complete my website. After I click Publish, Wix shows me the URL, and there's an option to visit the completed site.